What is up, guys? It's me, Little Fox 2053. As you can see, my name's up here. Today I'm not in Animal Company. I'm in Hand Physics Lab. This game is fun. You can draw in it. You have hands and arms, and you have collision, which means you can grab things, do whatever you want. Like, I can just kind of, yeah. Now, of course, obviously, this isn't the same thing. Only thing. Sorry. There's a lot of different things. Like, for example, I can go to a computer where I can type stuff. Like, hi was good. You can restart it. Mess around with the restart button once you find out it has collision. You can now. You might have noticed some of these things are locked. What are stars? If I go out of this, there's two different options: puzzles and playground. Playground stuff like the shooting range where you can just mess around. There's no objective. Puzzles, though, is something else. It's one where you puzzles is puzzles. You have an objective. You don't have a time limit, but for some of them, you want to try and solve the puzzle in a certain amount of time. So yeah, just puzzles get you stars. Obviously 3 stars per level to unlock new things. So I have a lot of different options I can do here, like launching up weights. And it actually shows you like how heavy it would be. Obviously for example, these are, I don't think I can pick up these, they're too small. Anyway, for example, this is 500 grams compared to 2 kilograms. Don't even know if I can grab that. Yeah. So, as you can see, it's got realistic physics. Like, I can't just go up to anything and just grab it. Now, for some things, it's easier to grab than others, because it has auto grab. It's just not always used for any object. And some objects you can't pick up. The other thing you can do is if I go to blocks, you can simulate blocks. So, for example, if I want a green, whatever that thing is, I think it's a triangular prism. I now have my green triangular prism. If I want to make it orange, it auto does that, so you don't gotta redo it. Change that. Now I got one of these. There's a lot of possibilities, customization you can do with these guys. So, I think you're supposed to build block towers and whatever you want, really. It's pretty fun. The only other thing I haven't shown is paper drawing. I know there's a few other ones, but they're not my favorites. So with paper drawing, you have a sort of a ruler, an eraser, and your pencil. And it's the same as the whiteboard I showed in the beginning. Except it's paper and I'm not sure how the eraser works. Alright. And also you have a ruler, so you can like draw straight lines and whatever. So that's Hand Physics Lab. I highly recommend this game to anybody who's interested in trying it out. I'm not entirely sure how much it costs because I've kind of just had it on my VR for a while. Never really played it, but I'm playing it a lot more now, so recommend it. It's pretty fun, especially once you unlock all the different playground options, which I have not yet, but I bet some of them look pretty fun. So, yep, Hand Physics Lab. Probably gonna make some vids on it. Recommend getting it. So, yeah, that's it. Bye. I gotta use the headset. Good old classic.